change the game.
I've been excited for this one. Been waiting for it to come in. New Traxxas Maxx. So I actually won this on one of those sticker raffle pages. I've actually won now 3 vehicles off that. I've won this one. I've won my TRX4 Blazer and my Team Associated CR12 on there. I roughly have about $40 into winning this bad boy. Very excited. I've been wanting a 4-wheel drive basher, and this should fit the bill. So I'll take it over to the bench, give a quick overview of it, and let's take it out and let's bash it. Stick around, guys. All right, guys. So the new Traxxas Maxx has quick release, one little piece to get the body off. The body comes off like this, scoops underneath the front. Love that. I do hear that the body comes off very easily. In the raffle that I won, got this brand new. Also came with the widening kit for wider arms. Comes with another set of springs for the rear. You move the rear springs to the front. Some different arms. Eventually I will put that on. Right now I will wait. They have different colors of those. That's the red kit. I have, I think, a green and a black, maybe another color. So this is 4S capable. With 4S and the right gearing, it can do 60 miles an hour. I currently do not have a 4S battery pack. I do have 3S. We will start on that, and I will be purchasing a 4S battery so we can experience that. The remote, very similar to pretty much all your Traxxas remotes. Multifunction, which this has a stability control built into it. I was briefly reading about to help you drive, and you can control that by this, turning it completely off or more for street use. It has a built-in wheelie bar, really nice thick shocks. It's basically a Traxxas V-Lon system. High output, fan on the motor, fan on the ESC, nice big servo. Here's your battery tray right here that you put your battery in. It comes with some foam for shorter batteries if you need it. Some wrenches for everything. So again, very, very excited about this. I know a person or two that has this. They love it. They say it's great. It has a self-righting feature where it will, if it's upside down, it will flip itself over. I've seen videos of that. Really cool. So I'm going to get a 3S in here, and let's take it out and let's bash. Stick around for it, guys. guys, so there you have it, the new Traxxas Maxx. Man, that thing is awesome, and that's only on 3S. I can't imagine what 4S is going to be like. Really need to get it out somewhere with some hills and some dirt and have some real fun with it. So I look forward to some future videos for that, and eventually we'll put the wide kit on it and see what we break. So I hope you liked it. Let me know if you have one and maybe what things you've done to it. Comment down below, guys. Until next time.